welcome back. And it's been a long time since we've done a video because we've been distracted. But motor is done, and it is a thing of beauty. Completely built to the spec for STS class. The car is a little bit behind. Got our coilovers on it, and we're going to be putting the body panels back on so we can do the body. We're going to do something a little bit different than we said earlier in terms of the body color. We're not going to do the green or blue wrap like we said before. We have another idea that we're not going to let you know of until it's done. It'll be a better surprise that way. Interior is coming together. Dash is back in. All of the little rust spots were fixed. We got brand new insulation under the carpeting. Carpeting's back in. Everything's hooked up. Yeah. So, hopefully by the end of the day we're going to have the motor bolted to the transmission, and we'll have that slotted back into the car, and it'll just be tightening up all the little pieces and parts. Okay, so things that were not done as high as they could be, but we can upgrade them later. We still have the open diff in the car. We did not yet put in the viscous coupler that I think we're allowed to use. We've also not upgraded the brake pads yet, and we have not added a long tube header for what that's worth. This is the factory header. We just cut all of the heat shielding off of it and wrapped it and painted it. Easy bolts-ons that we can do at a later date if we feel that they're necessary. Our driving skills are not high enough to warrant that much detail yet.
I guess now I'm pretty good.
All of the bolts and nuts holding the fenders and the body panels on are really rusty, so painstakingly cleaning them one at a time.
Hey. Only when you touch it with your finger.
It is lunchtime, so we're going to have our dogs. Nope, stop, we gotta come down. Just straight down with it. it'll come forward as the boom grabs. Almost perfect.
That's fun game before the engine is back there. The holder is right there.
Right here, Bob.
Yeah, you gotta lift that
This
up.
is the hull,
Yep.
and I want that in there. Okay. Down. All the way down. Set her down. Perfect. Yep. Never done that. Down, Cap. What? Hey, looky there.
That was smooth. Okay, Jonathan.
Yeah.
Summary.
Uh-huh.
Tunnels all together. Harnesses all together. Drive shaft is in. Speedometer is in.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, on the transmission end, yeah.
Uh,
Engine's in.
well, let me see. I think so.
Yep.